why I'd wear really bright colors a lot of the time. For me personally, it's about branding yourself and sticking out. I don't ever want to blend in with the crowd. I want to be remembered just overall. And I got this from like Andy Frisella. He was talking about, well, yeah, everybody remembered me because I was the guy who got stabbed in the fucking face. And he had this big gash across his face. And everybody remembered him. In all reality, I'm in the marketing business now. Like I market myself, I market my services and products, but I am consistently marketing. The bright colors and the outfits and everything else help me stand out on social media and help me get remembered. And that's why you think about like Ryan Pineda's hair. I saw one of his reels the other day. It's like, yeah, we got significantly more views with my red hair than anything else. So think about that next time you're just dressing and looking like a Joe Schmo with no fucking style like this, you know? Got the Mickey on. We are consistently branding ourselves, and that's why we need to look nice, and sometimes we need to stand out so we can catch some eyeballs. You never know who you're going to talk to.